Hello. Welcome to this long English practice. This lesson is slow and clear. It is for listening and reading. You can relax. Sit comfortably. Take a deep breath. Now start. Learning English is a journey. It is not fast. It is not easy. But it is possible. Every day, small progress is important. Even one new word is good. Even one sentence is good. Now listen and repeat. I learn every day. I improve slowly. I do not stop. Again. I learn every day. I improve slowly. I do not stop. Good. Now continue. The world is big. There are many countries. There are many languages. English is one of the most important languages. People use English for work. People use English for travel. People use English to communicate. When you learn English, you can understand more. You can speak with more people. You can see more opportunities. Now, let's talk about simple daily life. The day starts in the morning. The sun rises. The light comes. People wake up. They start their day. Some people drink coffee. Some people drink tea. Some people eat breakfast. The morning is usually quiet. It is a good time to learn. Now repeat. Morning is a good time. I feel calm in the morning. I start my day with energy. Good. Now continue. During the day, people work. They go to jobs. They meet other people. Some jobs are easy. Some jobs are difficult. But all work needs focus. Focus is important. Repeat. I focus on my work. I do my best. I improve every day. Good. Now, let's slow down. Take a breath. Listen carefully. Sometimes learning feels difficult. Sometimes you feel tired. This is normal. Do not stop. When you feel tired, take a short break. Rest for a few minutes, then continue again. Consistency is more important than speed. Repeat. I continue every day. I do not give up. I stay strong. Good. Now continue reading. In the afternoon, the day becomes busy. People move more. The streets are full. Cars move. People walk. Shops open. Life is active. But inside, you can stay calm. Repeat. I am calm. I am focused. I am learning. Good. Now continue. In the evening, things become quiet again. The sun goes down. The sky changes color. People go home. They rest. The evening is a good time to review. You can listen again. You can read again. You can repeat again. Repetition is powerful. Repeat. I repeat to learn. I repeat to remember. I repeat to improve. Good. Now continue. At night, the world becomes quiet. The streets are empty. The lights are soft. This is a peaceful time. You can think about your progress. Even if it is small, it is important. Every step matters. Repeat. Small steps are important. I move forward every day. Good. Now let's practice simple ideas. The sky is blue. The sun is bright. The air is fresh. Water is important. Food gives energy. Sleep gives rest. These are simple truths. Repeat. I drink water. I eat food. I sleep well. Good. Now continue. Learning English needs practice. Practice needs time. Time creates progress. Do not rush. Go step by step. Repeat. Step by step. Day by day. I improve. Good. Continue same style for long listening. Stay with the voice. Stay with the words. Stay focused. This is your time to learn. Keep going.